cheese on these patties.
And?
Bubble Buddy's lactose intolerant. He can't eat cheese. What should we do?
We? How about you take these patties and...
Mr. Squidward?
Don't worry, Bubble Buddy. Squidward will make a fresh batch.
What, is he allergic to bread too?
Actually, he doesn't like the crust. And Squidward, the ketchup should be under the patty. And Squidward, the pickle should be on the left side. And Squidward, you should... And Squidward, and Squidward, and Squidward, and Squidward.
Here, one of everything. No cheese, no crust, pickles to the left, 4 squirts of ketchup, wheat buns, non-dairy lettuce, and farm-raised tomatoes, carnival style. And if there's anything else I can do, please hesitate to ask.
That was delicious. Money's on the table, Mr. Krabs.
So long, boys. You see, Squidward, the restaurant game is all about service. The customer is always right. Remember that, lad, and you'll be as successful as me one day.
Oh, you're right, Mr. Krabs. I learned my lesson. And by the way, Bubble Buddy picked up the tab.
What's this?
Bubble money. At least they left a tip.
Here we are, Bubble Buddy. Goo Lagoon. There are lots of ways to have fun here.
Kids, bury me!
See what I mean? All done.
All right!
Bubble Buddy, you dig them out while I get some cotton candy.
Did you stand there, dude? The tide's coming in! Oh!